Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you my version for the rolled omelette or the omelette breakfast egg roll. It's fun to make and fun to eat. The kids will love it, and you can sneak the vegetables that you like in that omelette and they won't even notice. Let me show you the right way to do it, and let's get started. You're gonna start by cracking 4 large eggs. To that, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix the eggs very well. Break them until they're very liquidy. At this point, you can flavor the way you like. You can add some herbs, you can add some chives, whatever vegetables you like. Here I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of jalapenos and 2 tablespoons of tomatoes. The trick is to have the vegetables chopped really finely and not to add too much. I'm gonna mix them all together and the omelette mixture is ready. I'm gonna add some cream cheese to the omelette, so I added to a saran wrap about 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna flatten it just like so. Now I'm gonna preheat the pan, add 10 grams of butter, unsalted butter. This is a 9-inch pan. When the pan is hot enough, I'm gonna add 1/4 the amount of the egg mixture and I'll let it cook. Be patient and keep it on low heat. Here I added the cheese and I'm gonna start rolling the omelette very gently, and I find the easiest tool to do it is a flexible spatula, a rubber spatula, just like you see here. When you think the omelette is cooked enough and you can roll it some more, move it to one side, add some more of the egg mixture. Continue with the same process until you finish the whole egg mixture, and then you're gonna flip into a plate. Wait until it cools a little bit before slicing into it. I was impatient and I cut into it right away. These are the fluffiest, lightest egg rolls you can make. Just remember, keep the heat on low, whip the eggs very well, and be patient, and you'll get the most amazing egg rolls ever. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And until next time, bon appétit!